Looking for the best way to protect your Inkbird thermometer? Then this is a video for you. But don't forget, if you're keen to the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and you've recently acquired an Inkbird Ibt-26s, then when you get the product, there's obviously no way of storing it unless you keep it in the box. Now I found this quite awkward, so I did research and I have found probably the best way to protect your Inkbird. So let's jump in and have a look. So with your Inkbird, you've got 4 thermometer probes, you've got your charging cable, you've got your 2 little stands and your Inkbird, and you want to keep it nice and safe and protected, and it's not ideal to keep putting it in that box. The cardboard box is going to wear away over time. Now Inkbird do an official case that it does fit into, so let's jump in and see what that case is and how good it is. So this is the official Inkbird case. So it's a hard case, it's waterproof, it's going to protect it from dust, grease, grime, and let's see what it's like on the inside. So it just unzips. You've got a little carrier handle as well. So we've got a little pocket here at the top. So there's enough room for those 4 probes. You've got your charging cable and your 2 little stands. You can see you've got a nice protective foam packaging. This is actually cut to the perfect size. So our Inkbird T26s should slot straight in there, fits perfectly. That's going to protect it while you're traveling or camping or even at home, and it's not going to move when you zip it up. It should stay perfectly in place. And there you go, it hasn't moved. Everything fits in there perfectly. You've got all your 4 probes, you've got your charging cable, your 2 little stands, and your Inkbird. And that is going to protect it whether you're using it at home or whether you're taking it camping or abroad. So I'd say that is the ideal case for protecting your Inkbird Ibt-26s, all your probes and your stands. But don't forget, if you're keen to the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so enjoyed that quick unboxing and review of the Inkbird case for the Inkbird Ibt-26s. I will put a link down below to that product. It is pretty cool, and it just makes life a little bit easier at protecting that Inkbird thermometer when you're taking it camping or even if you're using it around the home. Now, for those of you looking to deep clean your Weber BBQ, check out this video next. And for those of you looking to cook the perfect pork on a rotisserie, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you next one.